Okay, guys, I'm going to show you another example of a truck that did not show up or did not call, or whatever the reason was, he did not come into work on a particular shift. So in this case, once again, we're back at the dispatch screen where you can see the different jobs. In this case, truck 576 did not show up to the 417 job, which is the one that's highlighted in yellow. And it's the second truck that we have here on the list, okay? So as you can see, the truck is still in yellow, meaning that, that it was dispatched. So we know that it's job number 10430. So let's go up here where it says operation, then we click on tickets. Now on the ticket screen, we're gonna go ahead and put the job number so we can start filtering. Work order number, we can use the date. In this case, it's 11/17/2019, and let's hit enter. I can go ahead and filter out more if I want to by hitting by putting the equipment number, but in this case, I prefer just seeing everything that's on the screen. Maybe there's something else that I can catch and correct too. I can actually see here that there's a truck that put the wrong ticket number. 310 actually put wrong ticket number, but we'll look at that one later on. Right now we're looking for 576, might be on the second page, and it's right there. It's the one right in the middle. So we're gonna click on that truck. Oops, I click on the wrong one. Let me go back, hit cancel. Click on that one, 576. And according to Jose's report, the truck just did not, was a no call, no show. Okay, so in this case, we're not replacing the truck with any other truck. So it's just a bare no call, no show. There's no other action that's going to be taken on this truck, for example. So once again, we verified that that's the correct truck. We are going to go ahead and go to change status. Once again, we have different statuses here. We are going to go ahead and select once again, we have status like cancel, show up time applies. Maybe there was a rejection by the subcontractor, the driver, or the operator that refused to work. If it was canceled on time, normally we use that one for complete jobs to be canceled. We have call out driver sick, if the driver is sick, or if a sub just called out and said the driver cannot make it. Call out mechanical problem, if let's say if a sub had a problem with a particular truck. We normally do not use mechanical problem for our trucks because we normally put them on a different truck, so that we normally use them for subs. Change job, driver, truck added to another job. I'm going to show you that on a different example where we actually replace a truck with a different truck. No pay, do not use that. Do not use that status. No show, we use it for trucks that basically just don't show up and they don't call. Rejected by client, if that's says itself if the client rejected that truck, maybe because it's dirty, maybe because it wasn't ready to load. And the other ones that we have on the bottom, completed, changed, and working, do not use those because those are just automatic statuses that change. In this case, truck 576 was just a no call, no show, so we're going to go ahead and select no show. And here on descriptions, no call, no show. And what I'm going to start asking you guys to do is maybe put a couple of dashes and then put your name so we know who entered that comment, and just click save. It's going to ask you for a confirmation. Click yes. Okay, on the next screen, again, it's not going to give you a save or an okay, but it's just giving you a confirmation here that that's the status that you want. So go ahead and just click on cancel. And the one change that we'll notice that we are able to see is that it changes to a pink. Now, if we go back to the dispatch page, we can also see, well, let's go back first to the 17th. That's night. That's 10430. We could see here that truck 576 has been canceled. So at this time, we have done everything that we needed to do for that truck.